Students, good afternoon. Welcome to your VVPS e-learning computer class. Today class we will understand exercise from chapter number 1. Today first exercise which we will understand, that is match the following. What is match the following? First matching is given. First matching is edit windows. Do you know, class, what is the right answer of this? This matching right answer is area where you type the program. First matching is edit windows and answer is area where you type the program, means this is the matching. Second expression, second matching is expression. What is the matching of this? Right answer is represent a number or a character. This is the matching of second, means expression matching. Third, main function. This is the main function. The matching of this is function that always begins to execute the program. Again, I am repeating third matching, class. Main function. Main function matching is function that always begins to execute the program. Is it clear, class? Fourth, see out. Fourth matching is see out. Is it clear, class? See out matching is given. See out is an identifier. This is the matching of number 4. Fourth matching see out, and the answer matching is an identifier. Is it clear? Number 5 matching is erase. Erase. Matching of this erase is a list of data elements of same data types. Understood, class? This is the matching of erase. Is a list of data elements of same data types. Next matching is statement. Number 6 matching is statement. The matching of this is causes the computer to carry out some action. Again, I am repeating matching. 6th number matching is statement, and matching answer is causes the computer to carry out some action. Is it clear? Number 7. 7 number matching is C++. C++. The matching of this answer is, class, the matching of this answer is extension of C language. Extension of C language. Now, class, wait. Listen again. This is the matching. Matching is completed. Now we will start now, class, we will start next exercise. Next exercise is from chapter number 1. Next exercise you will see class page number 11. In page number 11 you will see exercise is given. The name of this exercise is text assessment question answer. Text assessment question answer. You will see this exercise is given in page number 11. Clear, students? Question number 1. Students, question number 1 is, who developed the C++ language? I also explained in previous class who developed the C++ language. You will see the answer of this question is Berne Straub. Means Berne Straub developed the C++ language. Is it clear? Now class, question number 2. Do you know what is the question number 2? Question number 2 is, what is the full form of OOP? OOP. Again I am repeating question. What is the full form of OOP? I also explained this answer also. Tell me class, what is the right answer? Right answer is object oriented programming. The full form of OOP is object oriented programming. Is it clear? Next question, question number 3. Do you know class, question number 3? The question number 3 is, what do you mean by class in C++? Question I am repeating again. What do you mean by class in C++? Do you know class? Answer you will see class. Yes, this is your answer. Answer is, I am reading, listen very carefully. A class is a group of objects sharing a common characteristic and behavior. Again, I am repeating the answer of this. Question is, what do you mean by class in C++? Answer is, again, listen very carefully. A class is a group of objects sharing a common characteristic and behavior. Is it clear, students? This is the class which we can define in C++. Next, question number 4. Do you know class, what is the question number 4? The question number 4 is, name some data types. Question is clear? Name some data types. Students, I also explained types of data type. Yes or no? In this answer is, these are data types. One by one we will understand these data types. First, int means integer data type. Int means integer data type. Float is a float data type. And char means character data type. Char used for characters int is used for integer. These three data types names, first int, second float, and third char. Now next question, question number 5. This is the last answer of this exercise. Question is, name the function that always begins to execute program. I am repeating again question. Name the function that always begins to execute program. Means which function that always begins to execute program. I also explained in previous class, main function, main parenthesis, this is the function name. Main function always begins to execute the program. Is it clear? Any problem? Class, tomorrow, yes, your exercises has been completed. So class, tomorrow I will explain question answer. Is it clear, class? Tomorrow question answer will run.